And welcome back. Well, this past week in Billings, the public auction yards held their annual Blue Ribbon stock cow and bred heifer sale featuring nearly 7,000 head. And as the Montana Ag Network's Russell Nemeth shares, the market was strong, which is good news for ranchers.
For ranchers, this time of the year, there's a lot of eyes on the bred heifer and stock cow market, and for good reason, as it's a pretty good indicator of what the cattle market has in store for the new year.
The demand was exceeded what all of us thought it would be, and it's been that way for the last couple of weeks. So I've had the opportunity to sell quite a few bull sales and production sales in the last 10 days, 2 weeks, and there's some enthusiasm. There's some people that want to do some business, and I'm sure there's a lot of them trying to get some tax relief and this and that too. But we've seen record cow kills if you look at the last 52 weeks in a row, we've seen record cow kills every week for the last 52 weeks. We're getting short on these cows, and I think running these ranches and this and that is going to become way more attractive in the next couple of years. There's sure some demand, and the good Lord has blessed us very good here in the last 10 days with some beautiful weather, and we've had a blue ribbon sale when it's been 20, 30, 40, 50 below, and so we're really we've enjoyed this week.
He says their blue ribbon sale is known across America for its reputation of featuring high quality bred cattle.
You've really seen it here at this blue ribbon sale. These people that have watched the kind of bulls they've bought and had good tight calving programs and had some reputation. These cattle that have some quality, have some go to them, they've demanded a pretty good premium.
And despite the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand for beef, he says, is also fueling a strong cattle market as 2020 winds down.
You know, the demand for our product, the demand for protein worldwide we've never seen it the way it is right now. We can move the product, and really I don't think we have a supply problem. If we can just get some fairness and some competition at that fed cattle level now, I think all of us throughout production agriculture are in a pretty good place.
As for the bred cattle market this past week in the blue ribbon sale, bred heifer sold between $14.75 and $19.50 per head. Young stock cows between $14.75 and $17.35, solid mouth stock cows $9.75 to $1,400, and short-term stock cows between $7.25 and $1,000 per head. In Billings, Russell Nemeth, MTN News.
Thanks, Russell. And as for overall beef consumption, a new report by the National Cattlemen's Beef Association says the number of consumers who say they intend to eat beef at least weekly increased from 67% to 72% compared to 2019, and consumer positive perceptions of beef reached 70% for the first time.
Well,